Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a homemade papaya face mask. Let us know where you are watching from in the comments section below and tell us if you will be trying out this beauty hack. Thank you. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is high in antioxidants and nutrients. It contains an enzyme called papain, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells. It also contains vitamin A, which can help to improve the texture and tone of the skin, making it a great choice for maintaining healthy and glowing skin. To make this face mask, you'll need half a cup of ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon yogurt. First, mash the papaya in a bowl using a fork or potato masher. Then, add the honey and yogurt and mix everything together until it forms a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your clean face and neck, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Follow up with your usual toner and moisturizer. You can use this face mask once or twice a week to help nourish and brighten your skin. The papaya and honey will help to soften and hydrate your skin, while the yogurt will help to exfoliate and brighten your complexion. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to patch test the face mask on a small area of your skin before applying it all over your face. This will help you determine if your skin reacts negatively to any of the ingredients. You can also add other ingredients to this face mask to customize it to your specific skin concerns. For example, if you have oily skin, you might want to add some tea tree oil or lemon juice to the mask to help control excess oil production. If you have dry skin, you might want to add some avocado or coconut oil to the mask to help hydrate and nourish your skin. Use this face mask once or twice a week for best results. You should start to notice a brighter, smoother, and more youthful-looking complexion after a few uses. If you have any leftover face mask, you can store it in the fridge for up to a day or two and use it again the next time you want to pamper your skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tutorials. Comment in the comments section below what do-it-yourself, homemade beauty recipe you will like us to share in our next video. Bye for now and see you soon.